In the 1970s, a young man from Hungary named Charles Simonyi had a dream. Not to become rich, not to become famous, but to build something that made computers useful for everyone. He grew up under communist rule. Life wasn't easy. But Charles loved logic, coding, and possibilities. In 1966, he moved to America with almost nothing, just a scholarship and hope. He joined Xerox PARC, where some of the most brilliant minds in tech worked. There, Charles helped create the idea of a graphical user interface, what we now take for granted in every computer. But he wasn't done. In 1981, he joined a small but growing company called Microsoft, and there, he created something that would go on to change the way the world works. Microsoft Excel. At the time, spreadsheets were boring, slow, and confusing. But Charles envisioned a tool that was fast, clean, and powerful, something that even non-tech people could use. He led the team that built Excel from scratch. At first, it was just another product. But slowly, the world noticed. Offices, schools, banks, factories. Everyone started using it. From simple sums to billion-dollar models. Excel became the language of data. Today, Excel is used by over 1 billion people. And Charles, he didn't stop with software. He became one of the first space tourists. That's right. The creator of Excel went to outer space. Twice. But he says, his proudest moment isn't space. It's this. I created something useful. Something people use every day. That is a good life. So next time you open Excel, remember, it started with one idea, one dream, and a man who believed in building. Not for profit, but for people. Start small. Think big. Change the world.